You need to watch this if you struggle with understanding tech jargon. Let's clear the air on authentication versus authorization. In today's digital age, security is crucial. Whether you're logging into social media or managing business data, understanding authentication and authorization is key. These terms get mixed up a lot, but they have very different roles in keeping your data safe. First, let's talk about authentication. Authentication asks, who are you? It's the process where you prove your identity. Think usernames, passwords, or even fingerprints. If your credentials match, you're in. Simple, right? Now, authorization steps in. It asks, what are you allowed to do? Once you're authenticated, authorization determines your access levels. Can you view this file? Make a transaction? It's all about permissions and roles. Here's a quick example. Imagine logging into your bank account. Authentication is entering your username and password. Authorization is what you can do once you're logged in, like viewing balance or transferring money. So remember, authentication verifies your identity. Authorization controls your access. Both are essential for robust security. By understanding these basics, you're already a step ahead in safeguarding your digital life. Stay secure, stay informed, and keep those cyber threats at bay.